Dear friends, good morning. Today is a unique coincidence that we have the birth anniversary of India's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who is also fondly remembered as Chacha Nehru. We also have the birth anniversary of our ex-chairman, Shri Aditya Birla ji. And we are also celebrating India's biggest festival today, Deepavali. I wish you and your family and your friends the best of health and happiness. These are challenging times, and I am well aware of the enormous changes and the constraints in which you, my young friends, are studying. However, I am a firm believer in the adage, tough time never lasts, but tough people do. The human race is indeed privileged as Almighty has given us the potential to adapt in every situation. And remember, this time too shall pass. I would urge you all to be safe and help me and support me in keeping the BC Kharach team and BC Kharach campus safe. Please abide by the following 3 golden rules. First, wearing face masks, properly covering both the nose and your mouth at all times whenever you step outside your homes. Second is social distancing. And the third is work on improving your immunity and wash your hands frequently. I am sure with your support, we at BC Kharach would come out as winners. Thank you, and again wishing you and your family happy, safe and prosperous Deepavali. God bless you all.
Namaste. I take this opportunity to wish you all a very happy Children's Day. 14th November is also birthday of our chairman, late Sri Aditya Vikram Birla ji. Let me share one of his quote which is very inspiring. And I quote, "There is nothing which cannot be achieved, provided we have an open mind, the will, the devotion, the determination, the enthusiasm, and a vision to achieve seemingly impossible." Unquote. In these COVID times also, we will be winning COVID battle by execution of this thought only. I also take this opportunity to wish you and your family a very happy and safe Diwali. Thank you and enjoy your time.
बच्चे मन के सच्चे, बच्चे मन के सच्चे, सारे जग की आँख के तारे, ये वो नन्हे फूल है जो भगवान को लगते प्यारे। बच्चे मन के सच्चे, खुद रूठे खुद बन जाए, फिर हम जोड़ी बन जाए। झगड़ा जिसके साथ करे, अगले ही पल फिर बात करे। झगड़ा जिसके साथ करे, अगले ही पल फिर बात करे। इनको किसी से बैर नहीं, इनके लिए कोई गैर नहीं। इनका भोलापन मिलता है सबको बाह पसारे। बच्चे मन के सच्चे, सारे जग की आँख के तारे, ये वो नन्हे
introduce myself. I am your new principal, Ms. Shirley Vaz. Sad enough, we have not been able to meet each other on account of the outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic. Let's hope and pray that these unfavorable conditions disappear and we soon get to see each other at school. Today, on 14th November, we are here to virtually celebrate three great occasions. Firstly, the birth anniversary of Shri Jawaharlal Nehru ji and Children's Day. Secondly, the birth anniversary of Shri Aditya Birla ji and Alumni Day. And thirdly, the Festival of Lights, Deepavali. So firstly, let me wish you all a very happy Children's Day. It is rightly said, children are the keys of paradise. And it is you, my dear children, who make school a paradise by your fun, laughter and pranks. Secondly, let me wish all the alumni of this school a very happy Alumni Day. It is rightly said, gratitude is the memory of the heart. So my dear alumni, happy reminiscences of your school days. May you always prosper and scale greater heights in life. Thirdly, a very happy Deepavali to one and all. This festival of Deepavali brings with it a spark of good cheer. May this Deepavali shun away the darkness of this pandemic and brighten your lives with joy, hope and peace.
What is the name of newspaper which is started by Jawaharlal Nehru? Your
Option
options
A,
are-
National Herald.
Option A, National Herald. Other members of the House, do you agree to this answer?
Yes, sir. National Herald. A is the correct answer.
Okay, Jhaji, should we lock it?
Yes, sir.
National Herald is the right answer. Please move ahead. 10 points.
Congratulations to each of you, and I'm happy that you could participate in this. Winning or losing is something different, but I think participation is most important. So from my side, a big round of applause to all of you. Thank you, and thank you, teachers, for organizing this.
नमस्कार प्यारे बच्चों, बाल दिवस की आप सबको हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। भारत एक ऐसा देश है जहां बच्चों को भगवान का रूप माना जाता है। बच्चों के अधिकारों और शिक्षा में जागरूकता बढ़ाने के लिए पूरे भारतवर्ष में बाल दिवस मनाया जाता है। भारत के प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू बच्चों में काफी लोकप्रिय थे। उन्हें प्यार से बच्चे चाचा नेहरू भी कहा करते थे। वे चाहते थे कि बच्चों को बेहतरीन शिक्षा और प्रोत्साहन मिले। इसके लिए उन्होंने कई योजनाएं बनाई। पहले हमारे देश में बाल दिवस 20 नवंबर को मनाया जाता था, लेकिन 1964 में पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू के निधन के पश्चात सर्वसम्मति से उन्हें श्रद्धांजलि देने के लिए ये फैसला लिया गया कि 14 नवंबर को ये दिन मनाया जाए। उनका कहना था कि बच्चों की देखभाल हमेशा प्यार से करनी चाहिए ताकि वे आगे चलकर समाजवादी, धर्मनिरपेक्ष, लोकतंत्रीय, गणतंत्र देश के सफल और जिम्मेदार नागरिक बन सके। यही आज स्वनिर्भर, आत्मनिर्भर, आधुनिक भारत का आधार स्तंभ माना जाता है।
Today is 14th November.
the birthday of the first Prime Minister of our country, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. His birth anniversary is celebrated as Children's Day all over India because of his love and affection for all the children. Jawaharlal Nehru loved the children because they are like miracles who have their own way of making this world a beautiful place. Yes, my dear children, each one of you can be a miracle and you can make this world beautiful, safe and peaceful if you ponder upon and live by the meaning of the word that each letter of the word children has to say. Now the first letter of the word children, C, stand for confident, H for honesty, I for innocent, L for lovable, D for discipline, R for responsible, E for enthusiastic, and N for novelty. These are the values that the word children has to teach us, and we urge upon you to live by these values every day. And my children, as you know that we are now experiencing a pandemic situation due to the outbreak of coronavirus. None of us are going to school, but we do hope that you have not deviated yourself from the academic responsibilities of completing your academic activities that are shared by the teachers through offline or online mode. We also hope that you are fulfilling your family responsibility with the same enthusiasm, that is, obeying your elders and loving the young ones. Besides these responsibilities, you also have a social responsibility. And the social responsibility that the pandemic situation demanded from you, my dear children, is hand washing. Wash your hands regularly with soap and water to kill the germs and keep yourself healthy. And the second responsibility is face mask. With the outbreak of the pandemic, it is mandatory that every one of you wear a mask to protect yourselves and others from the airborne diseases and infectious diseases like the coronavirus. The third social responsibility that we expect from our children is social distancing. Please maintain social distancing of at least 6 feet both indoors and outdoors from the people who are not from your household.
There are only 2 lasting bequests we hope to give our children. One of these is roots, the other wings. A very good morning to all. I wish all our students a very happy Children's Day. Now, dear students, I am going to tell you about a very special person, Aditya Vikram Birla. Today is his birth anniversary. To mark this occasion, 14th November is kept up as the Alumni Day for all the Adityans. Aditya Vikram Birla was a former chairman of Aditya Birla Group. He was an Indian industrialist and the grandson of Shri G.D. Birla. Today, the Birlas are into multifarious businesses. He was one of the first Indian industrialists to expand abroad by setting up plants in Southeast Asia, the Philippines, and Egypt, etc. He has expanded his empire globally. He introduced the concept of sustainable livelihood, by which people are taught to work and feed themselves for lifetime rather than simple living. Unfortunately, he is no more. He passed away at the age of 51. He will always be remembered in our hearts. Thank you and God bless all of you.
नमस्कार, आप सबको दिवाली की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। हैप्पी दिवाली। बिरला परिवार की तरफ से आपको व आपके परिवार को तहे दिल से दिवाली की शुभकामनाएं। दीपावली दीपों का त्योहार है, खुशियाँ लाती हर पार है। माँ लक्ष्मी दे दे हमें धन धान्य और शोहरत, तो माँ सरस्वती से हम पाएं विद्या का वरदान है। गणपति हमारे सारे कष्ट हरे और जीवन हमारा खुशियों से भरे। पाकर इनका आशीर्वाद हम सब निरोग रहें, यही है कामना हमारी आप सब के लिए। कोरोना काल की इस महामारी में हमें अपना और अपनों का ख्याल रखना है। दिवाली पर मिट्टी के दिए जलाकर हमें जहां एक और उजाला और सकारात्मकता लाते हैं, वहीं एक दूसरे के प्रति वैर विरोध त्याग कर सबको गले लगाते हैं। आपको व आपके परिवार को इस दिवाली पर ढेर सारी खुशियां मिले, परिवार में सब स्वस्थ एवं निरोग रहें, यही हमारी मनोकामना है। इस अवसर पर पटाखे जलाकर हम अपनी खुशियां भी व्यक्त करते हैं, तो ऐसे समय में हमें कुछ सावधानियां भी बरतनी चाहिए, क्योंकि त्योहार खुशियां बांटने के लिए होता है। तो स्वयं के साथ साथ हमें दूसरों की सुरक्षा का भी ध्यान रखना चाहिए। आप जानते हैं आतिशबाजी में मजा भी है और खतरे भी। छोटे बच्चों को पटाखे बड़ों की निगरानी में ही चलाने दें। पटाखे जलाते समय सुरक्षित दूरी पर खड़े रहें। भीड़ भाड़ वाले स्थानों, संकरी गलियों या घरों में पटाखे ना जलाएं। आशा करते हैं यह दिवाली आपके जीवन में खुशियां ही खुशियां लेकर आए। प्रदूषण मुक्त दिवाली अपनाएं, पटाखों का प्रयोग कम से कम करें, ताकि हमारी पृथ्वी के सुरक्षा कवच ओजोन परत को नुकसान होने से बचाया जा सके। दीप जलाएं, खुशियां फैलाएं। चाइनीज लाइट नहीं, मिट्टी के दिए जलाएंगे, फिर गरीब भी खुशी से दिवाली मना पाएंगे। धन्यवाद। आपकी दीपावली शुभ हो। नमस्कार।